We go on a journey to the future, but we start here in our bodies. And we start grounding ourselves in that moment where we sit and just breathing into our belly, feeling every cell of our body relax, arriving here together and with yourself in that moment. And you now can focus on your navel, the belly button area in your belly. And let your intuition guide you to that space in your belly. Relax everything, every single muscle. Just feel that intuition, that one point, we call it, the point where everything is connected. The future, the past, the now, and our intuition, our love. It's the place where we came from our mother. And stay in that place and drop deep and deeper and deeper. And start moving out of the body into the universal field of all possibilities, of the unknown. Just becoming that piece of consciousness that is connected with nature, the universe, with everything. And just feel that love and oneness and hope and trust in the universe and how everything is emerging. Feel that feeling of gratitude for being alive in your body, in your soul, moving out into the space, into nowhere. Embodying that feeling of abundance, of love, community, opportunity, and wisdom in the new normal in 2021. And everything else you want to feel in the end of that year. Really sense that. And move now, move into yourself in the end of 2021, yourself on the 28th of December in 2021, and the potential of you. Move into that body of your future self. And arrive there. Sense how it feels to be you. arrive in that body and look around. In all areas of your life, how was your love relationship like? Who is your partner, your soulmate? Maybe you are in solitude, full in love with yourself, with your kids, whatever it is. How is that relationship looking like and feeling like? In all sensations of your body, experience that love in your life. How's your heart feeling? What qualities do you embody in that relationship with your loved one and with yourself? And now look also to your friends and family, to your loved ones around. How are they looking like? How's the relationship like? How is love flowing in between all of you? How do you share love with each other? Which moments of quality time do you celebrate together? How do you help each other grow and support each other on that journey of life? Who is your community? That soul friends that go with you to life, that have your hand, that have that shoulder you can cry on also, and that embrace you. And how is your work life looking like? Look in your career. What's the soul work you're doing? And how do you find purpose in the simple things you do in your work? How you live your genius? How do you serve to humanity, to the world? What do you give unconditionally in your essence from love? What are the opportunities that open for you in the chaos and uncertainty of life? And through all of that, how is prosperity flowering? In which ways does money flow to you? How do you create your freedom? How do you save money? How do you spend money? How do you invest in yourself? How do you generate money? How's your relationship to money? Are you coming from a place of having? There's enough for everyone? Do you donate? And how is your personal development looking like? How do you grow? Who is supporting you on your journey to creating that life you desire? With soul friends, with business partners, coaches, mentors, masterminds. Who is with you there? Growing together. And how will you grow? What are the areas of life that you want to make a leap into? What is the new you that you are now? And sense also into your body, into your health and wellness. How strong do you feel? How energetic do you feel? And what happened in the last year that made you be that version of yourself? How does your body feel from the inside? How does your soul feel from the inside? Are you loving yourself? And then also look now around here in December 2021. What is the joyful life you created for yourself? Which experiences did you have in 2021 that you still remember? How did you have fun? Which travels inside and outside did you do? How did you make 2021 a wonderful, happy, joyful year, and remembering those moments of bliss, of freedom, of peace? What fun elements did you have? Maybe also it's something you got for yourself, like a new place, a new home. What are the things and the special memories that you created for yourself that make 2021 unique? Now get into your body here in 2021 with all those life areas, with a holistic, fulfilled, happy, impactful, prosperous life. How does it feel in your body? How do you move in your body? How do you walk? How do you dance? How do you sit, lie? Which sounds do you hear? Which sensation do you feel? And really take that into your body, knowing that this is reality. And just meditate now there in 2021, joyfully in that wonderful place you are here in December 2021. Find a place to meditate just for a couple of breaths. Meditation in a meditation. Just meditate and say thank you to yourself. Gratitude for all that steps you took to get there. And that you enjoyed every moment. And that you're here now. And in this state of gratitude and acceptance, just slowly move out of that body and become a piece of consciousness again. Moving out, up in the universe, in the darkness, nothingness again. There's no space and time, and all potentials and dimensions just melt. And slowly from that place of blackness, move here in that moment right now, back to your room and country, place where you are, in your body in 2020, December 28th, in that workshop together and arriving. And whenever you're ready, you can gently come back and open your eyes.